Would you like to know the latest about the Brooklyn real estate market? Yes, stay tuned. Because I'm going to give you 5 key points that'll tell you everything you need to know about the Brooklyn real estate market in March 2023. Hi, my name is Justin Braithwaite, and I'm the broker and owner of Braithwaite Realty in New York City. Number 1, let's start with prices. In Brooklyn, the median sales price is currently $990,000. This is up from $870,000 last month, and also up from $916,000 this time last year. This is great news as it puts us right against last year's high of $995,000 in July. Actually, in 2022, prices increased every month through July and then dropped in August and September before recovering in October and November. We definitely have to take a look at next month's number to see whether this trend continues, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss next month's report. Number 2, let's look at the sales price to list price ratio. This is a great metric because it tells us how close to asking price sellers are getting. Right now, it's 96.6%, down from 98.5% last month. And despite everything going on last year in the market, last year's average was 99%, so this represents a big drop. It'll be interesting to see if next month this continues or if it's just a blip. Number 3, days on market, which tells us how long on average it takes to sell a property in Brooklyn. Right now, we're at 100 days, which is way up from 74 days last month. And last year's average was 61 days, so we are definitely much higher. Days on market was lowest last year in the second quarter when it got as low as 40 and has been increasing ever since. Number 4, let's talk about how many homes are for sale now and how that's trending. The number of homes for sale is 3,933, just about flat from 3,988 last month. Actually, inventory in Brooklyn has been pretty stable over the past years, and this is a continuation of that trend. Number 5, let's take a look at how often sellers are reducing their prices in Brooklyn. 12% of sellers reduced their asking prices last month versus 7% this time last year. Significantly higher, but more in line with last year's average of 11% and a bounce back from last month's low number due to seasonality. Price decreases are considered a leading indicator and give you an idea of what's going to happen in the future. And this tells us that we're holding steady. So there you have it. That's the latest on the Brooklyn real estate market. Hit subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Coming out in April, and you have all the information you need to make informed real estate decisions for you and your family. Questions? Put them in the comments below, and I'll see you next month for your April Brooklyn real estate market update.